Before we get started with today's video, make sure to go ahead and check if you're subscribed or not. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already, because YouTube has been unsubscribing my fans, and it would be helpful if you would subscribe because I put a lot of effort into my videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
The top, I wanna hear you say, you know, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Listen to me now.
I wear a mask with a smile for hours at a time.
Stare at the ceiling while I hold back what's on my mind.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
And that's because I wanna be your favorite girl. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake.